Okay, whoa, why is the focus off here? Okay, so today I'm gonna show you guys how we can use a 4K projector to pretty much replace a backdrop with any type of background we need. All you have to do is find your desired background on your laptop via Google Images or Shutterstock, whatever the case may be, plug in an HDMI cable and bada bing, bada boom. And I really just said bada bing, bada boom in 2022. Or 23. Whoa, it's a new year. Anyways, it's a very fun and useful tool to have in a very small contained studio space because it gives us, you know, a variety of different options to use to change up the look of our video. Don't like the blue background? Well, let's say you want a red background. Okay, so it doesn't change automatically, but you get the point. We use this for a lot of applications in the studio, but let's take a look how we used it today for our testimonial video shoot.
Okay, so you're probably wondering, am I really moving this fast? Well, yes, I am. Anyways, let's talk about the setup. So my first step is to set up the LG Cinebeam 4K projector. Now, the cool thing about this projector is it has an approximately 7-inch throw, which allows placement behind my subject, making it an effective backdrop option. The next step is lighting, and the trick with this is to light your subject and avoid light spilling onto the backdrop. Now, spill is going to happen and that's okay, but the goal in this case is to diminish as much spill as possible, which means light modifiers and flags. And this is the final image. And as long as you light the subject properly, this becomes a pretty convincing interchangeable backdrop option. And although this may not be ideal for every situation, I will say having pretty much limitless background options available, well, that's a pretty valuable tool to have in your filmmaking toolkit.
And that's pretty much how you can use this backdrop, you know, for something as simple as a testimonial talking head video. But like I said, you can use this for many more things as long as you have the imagination to do so. And at Butler Branding, that's all we do, is we just play make-believe and make cool videos and do cool stuff. I wish I was cool. Anyways, bye.